Good afternoon, friends. Today, in continuation with the last class, we will be dealing that how exchange list can be used for the preparation of diet chart. Okay, see, you have the list like you have got the exchange list cereals. You can print it or you can write it all the common food materials. All cereals name or pulses name or fruits which are common to your area or your region, or green leafy vegetables which is available in your locality, and then other vegetables. Okay, yesterday we learned easiest way to calculate required energy. Again I will repeat once more कि you can estimate the energy requirement by the ICMR chart or by multiplying it by 25, 30 or 40 according to the lifestyle of the person, that he is sedentary, he or she is sedentary, moderate worker or heavy worker. Again you have the same exchange list prepared, and now use of exchange list in making diet chart of different diseases. Today we will consider the simplest one, which is very common in adolescent people and young adult women and in all ages, in all reproductive ages. So anemia. We will today consider how this exchange list can be adjusted in favor of anemia. It can be adjusted in favor of any diseases. You have to do like this. Suppose a person is anemic. She or sometimes males are also anemic, but in most of the cases females are anemic. She has come to you for the diet consultation. Now you have learnt a lot. You have the miracle book, the ICMR book. New edition is also available, 2021 edition. It is the Bible of dietary practices. So you have it. All the list, food list is listed very well. Which one is highest in iron content, which one is highest in fiber content, which one is highest in fat content, and you have to go group wise. In cereals, which cereal is highest in iron? In pulses, which are the pulses which are highest in iron? Again, milk is not containing iron, but you know that when the khoa is prepared in iron vessel, then some amount of iron is added to it. If we also cook vegetables in iron vessels, then some iron is added into it. And in our homes, before using knives, we used to have that iron hasua. While cutting the vegetables also some iron used to be incorporated into it. So our old practices were very much favorable for preventing anemia. But anyways, so you have the list. You should memorize this, which cereal is high in iron. Now you will suggest the person who has come for you to come to you for the consultancy that look, bajra is very good in iron content. Sometimes you know what, in Maharashtra bajra is very common. In other states also bajra is very common, but in Jharkhand it is not so much common. I don't know, you will have to find out whether bajra is available in your nearby grocery shop or not. You please find out and tell me in the comment box or in the next class when we meet. So bajra is not so common, but still bajra is having a very good amount of iron, that is 8 milligram iron per 100 grams of bajra. Ragi is very common over here. So ragi you are going to get very easily. So ragi is also having a good amount, that is 3.9. So it will give you good amount of iron. Rice flake is also having good amount. How much is the rice flake content of iron? Somebody please tell me. What is the iron content of 100 grams of 20? See, if the person is eating poha in the breakfast, if 100 gram is he or she will get direct 20 milligram of iron. It is milligram only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Your unit also has to be very much confirmed, okay? So 20 and you know that your daily dietary requirement for iron is 30 to 35. So see how nice the rice flake is, that if you are eating for breakfast, 20 milligram of iron is met in the breakfast time only. Fine. So then when you come to the pulses group, then you know that Bengal gram is very good in iron. Somebody please tell me, looking into the ICMR list, which is the pulse which is highest in iron content. You can look into it. You can look into your book. Please tell me.
Soya bean.
Okay, soya bean. Which one is the second one? Cowpea. How much?
Bengal gram roasted. And 9.5 cowpea.
Okay, and Bengal gram?
Bengal gram roasted 9.5. 9.5.
Okay, and dal?
5.3.
Okay. Roasted Bengal gram is providing a good amount of iron, and it can be eaten in snacks. Also tell me what is the value of puffed rice. Puffed rice is containing 6.6, I think, no?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
6. So if you are eating, you call it rice flakes, poha in the breakfast, 20 milligram of iron is met. If in the evening you eat, see, 100 grams of puffed rice, eating 100 grams of puffed rice is okay, but eating 100 grams of roasted Bengal gram is not okay. It is very heavy. So you can eat 25 grams of roasted Bengal gram, or you can eat 50 grams of puffed rice, or you can combine and make it a very good jhalmuri. Okay, jhalmuri will also provide you vitamin C, so your iron absorption will be very much absorbed nicely. So in the cereals you selected which cereal you have to give suggest for anemia. Then after in pulses you also selected that cowpea and Bengal gram is okay, but you know Bengal gram is most popular to eat as a chole, kale chane ke chole, or as a dal they will eat, but cowpea is little bit cowpea and soybean is little bit not so much acceptable, so it is difficult to incorporate into diet, but still we will select common but still high in iron content. Fine. Now,
Ma'am, sevai also contains good amount of iron.
okay, how much is this?
Ma'am, 9.3.
Okay, then you can also suggest keep in the dinner time. You can please incorporate as a dessert. You can eat 25 gram of savai or 30 gram of savai. Fine. Yes. And in the savai, if you may put na dates, sukha nariyal, these kind of things, these are going to increase your iron content, because date is also containing a appreciable amount of iron. Sukha nariyal is also containing good amount of iron. You can check nuts and seeds which are high in iron content. You can check and tell me.
Date.
Yes, dates I told you. Fine. Now in green leafy vegetables, you know Bengal gram leaves are very good in iron content. Okay. There are other things also like beetroot greens, cauliflower greens, but they are sometimes not available or sometimes difficult to get from the market. But Bengal grams now you can sow in the gamla, and you can eat it if you want to fight anemia. You can teach them. You can, if you have land, means kitchen garden near you, you can sow it. The fruits will not come in the Bengal gram, but at least leaves you will get to fight anemia. Fine. So now you know you have the ICMR book, you have the list, you can exchange, means eating roti can be exchanged with eating rice flakes poha, and in the evening as a snacks you can eat puffed rice or Bengal gram roasted. In the dal also you can do the selection which dal is more in iron content, so I will eat that for 1 month. So as a dietitian, you recommend them first 15 days diet and then come for second consultation, and then after you continue the diet for 1 month, then it is okay, it is fine, you will get the results. Okay, I think now you have understood how to how to manage, how to select, how to make a choice in exchanges for fighting anemia. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the next class, or you can ask me in the comment section. This is all for today. If you like the video, kindly subscribe it, like it, and you share it to your friends. Thank you.